we should have took the stuff out of the cabinet.
No, that doesn't make a difference. I'm working well above that. That person didn't want to move at all. Towel, please.
At least Pickles out of your way.
Yeah. There's the old one. Alright. I have to drill a hole here. Work, or you want it to the rear or to the front? Where do you want the knob?
To the front.
To the front, right here?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Just swing it around anywhere you want it.
Shoot, I could take a shower in there. Pickle being a good boy, staying out of your way.
Yeah. Tell you one thing, figuring out which thread to use where to match this up with the adapters.
Yeah.
I was starting to think I was going to have to put a machine shop.
Really.
Yeah. Nothing was matching up at first, and I just happened to stumble on it. Fitting that had the right thread on it. Tried it. Hey, cool, it is American thread. Now watch me put these hoses on backwards just like that did.
Well, make sure you don't.
Well, that'd be easy enough to reverse them like I did before. This here is cold water. Pliers. That's right.
I should have done the dishes before we started this.
Nope. I did it like that on purpose.
Why is that?
So you can put it to the test.
I feel like crap.
Oh. My bread right there. Little bitty adapter. Swing this out of the way.
How do you turn it down?
It's gonna fit right here. So what do you think?
I like it.
That work for you?
Yeah.
A lot easier than that other thing?
I make it easier when I fill up my tea container thingy.
Yeah. Also make it a lot easier when I'm making coffee.
Yeah. Just remember, it's not a shower.
Well, you're the only one short enough to take a shower under it. Well, there we are, middle of October. I ain't posted anything in about 2 weeks. We're out of the lake right now. You can't tell by the surroundings. But I'll try and get some fishing in. Weather ain't looking real good right now. It's trying to rain on us right now. Been drizzling just a little bit, I guess about the past hour. Anyhow, got RV ready to paint. And as you can see, I got the back of it probably about as clean as it's ever been. Got the roof thoroughly sealed up. I put in a new TV antenna. Let's see if we can get around to see that. Yeah, there you can see it. Well, kind of, sort of. Let me turn this camera around. Yeah. There you can see it. It's up there. In town, it only got us 5 channels. Out here, well, in this spot right here, it's only getting us that same 5 channels, but when we was just a little further around, got us 32 channels.
It's not working.
It's not working right now?
Nope.
I didn't think it was going to work real good right here.
It's not even working on my phone no more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, wow, that's not good. Here's Nana and Pickles. Pickles just staring at me like, what the heck are you doing? Well, as you can see, we got this thing ready to paint. I got the paint all ready. Still got to get the red and the teal that Nana wants. But first we got to do the white. Get that done. Tried to go fishing. Got snagged up right away. Broke off. Oh, so much for that. Anyhow, I'll post up another one just as soon as we get this thing started painting. Get her done. I'll holler at you later. Love you. How about that? There's another Winnebago out here, about the same year as ours. Looks almost identical. Shay thought we was home.